Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a dot grid in Figma, giving you precise control over spacing, size, and scalability depending on your project needs. The fastest approach is to use a plugin. Open Figma's Plugins menu and search for dot grid or dot matrix. Once launched, you can customize the width, height, dot size, and spacing, then click Create to generate a ready-to-use grid directly on your canvas. This method is perfect for quick setups or experimenting with different densities. If you want the grid to adapt to any frame size without deforming, a tile pattern works well. Start by drawing a small circle, like 2 by 2 pixels, then place it inside a square frame, for example 20 by 20 pixels, and center it. Export this frame as a PNG, then apply it as a fill on your target frame. In the fill settings, switch the type from solid to image. Import your PNG and set it to tile mode. The grid will now repeat seamlessly across any sized object.